Look what came today. The Pfister exhaust. All right, let's see what this is. I got the whole flipping 996 bumper off and everything. Let's see what these bad boys look like. What do you think, Theodore? What's this for?
The Porsche.
Tell the people.
Porsche.
It's for the Porsche. All right, let's have a look. Man, they pack it up like crazy. Ooh, doggy. Look at these guys. Wow. I'm supposed to wrap the old ones up like that and send it back? All right, well, I'm not going to pull all this out yet until it's time to install it. Check it out right there. Pfister, baby. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. We actually opted to do the core replacement program where I bought them from Darren Pfister, shipped it out, and then I'm going to send these cores back. But luckily, we already have the bumper off because we're getting some body work done, and we're able to, soak it with some PB Blaster, pull these off, and then get these others installed. All right, so part of putting the Pfister exhaust on, I'm gonna try to shine up the tailpipe tips. And I got some chrome polish, and I also got this metal polish. I'm gonna try them both. I don't know which one's gonna be better. And then I got some 4/0 steel wool. We'll see what we can do. What do you think?
I think it's looking good.
That one's probably the best one we've had.
Let's check it out.
I'm gonna do one more round of that polish. Here's what we know. We know that this Blue Magic works better for the shine, but I feel like that Turtle Wax works better for taking the crap off.
This right here, so far, to
Dude, I'm gonna do another round. Like, this is really pretty good, Grant. Look at that. All right, the old ones are out. We had to cut off the old brackets, so we got new ones. Polished up the tips. Next is gonna be the Pfisters. That was anticlimactic. All right, well, we've had this thing sitting for a few weeks on the stands. That's nuts. We even tried it.